नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते, नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते। डोंट वरी सब हो जाएगा ठीक, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनो डोंट बी वीक। जमीर हम लोगों का मैला हुआ है, इसीलिए वायरस ये फैला हुआ है। सब स्टॉप हो गया, सेंसेक्स ड्रॉप हो गया। मत करो तुम इतना पैनिक, डूब जाएगी फिर टाइटैनिक। ट्रैवलिंग को रोक दो, इस वायरस को ठोक दो। जोक नहीं सीरियस है, ये मैटर मिस्टीरियस है। डोंट गो आफ्टर बकरी का वो दाल सब्जी ज्यादा खाओ। भीड़ भाड़ में कम जाओ, ट्रिम हो जाओ, जिम जाओ। गले लगाना हाथ मिलाना सब छोड़ रही है पब्लिक, दुनिया भर की अब हाथ जोड़ रही है। हाथ जोड़ना बोले तो नमस्ते नमस्ते, तुम भी सब करो ना फिर खुल जाएंगे रास्ते। नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते, नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते, नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते, नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते।
Good evening everybody, this is Yashwaran Dubey of Standard 8C studying in Delhi Public School, Dhanbad here. Today I am going to recite a poem on coronavirus. Here are my words. The world is getting wounded, every life is counted. With the time on our clock ticking, how are we going to save the living? They say it is a respiratory disease. The symptoms are general, like fever or even a sneeze. It seems like this virus is new in the town. It is so novel that other viruses have to bow down. It wears a crown of spikes, and thus this virus is called coronavirus. It is nicknamed as COVID-19. Till date, nobody has made its vaccine. There is no surgery, treatment or cure. The lesser precautions we take, the higher it will soar. Doctors, nurses, policemen, paramedics and even essential services are all willing to give their lives for this brutal pandemic. So, let's kill this virus starting at our home. Around our house, let's build an antivirus dome. Use a mask as a shield and sanitizer as a sword. Thank you.
कोरोना है जो आया है चीन की ये माया, कोई रोक न पाया, ये ढीठ है बड़ा। बचने का तरीका टीवी पे दिखाया, पीएम ने भी समझाया, तू ही ना समझा। बहुत टेढ़ा है कोरोना, न जाने किस पे आएगा। ये वायरस तो है आवारा, तेरी हिम्मत आजमाएगा। बहुत टेढ़ा है कोरोना, न जाने किस पे आएगा। ये वायरस तो है आवारा, तेरी हिम्मत आजमाएगा। हाथों को धो लो ना, नमस्ते कर लो ना। 21 दिन की लड़ाई घर से ही लड़ लो ना। योगा कर लो ना, कुछ हेल्दी खा लो ना। इम्यूनिटी ना खोना तो हारेगा कोरोना। ना पढ़ने देंगे अब इसको, मिलकर इंडिया ये भगाएगा। ये वायरस तो है आवारा, तेरी हिम्मत आजमाएगा। न बढ़ने देंगे अब इसको, मिलकर इंडिया ये भगाएगा। मिलकर इंडिया ये भगाएगा। मिलकर इंडिया ये भगाएगा।
इंडिया फाइट कोरोना।
Hello, a warm welcome to all of you. Be positive. Sorry, these are the most dangerous words nowadays, rather months. Hope not to be positive while you test COVID-19, either through RT-PCR, TrueNet or RAT. Don't worry from these terms. These are the testing methods, my friends. COVID-19 has shaped the world in a new anti-globalized world with face masks too. New businesses of face masks and sanitizers have emerged within the isolation. That is Ekantwas, a new way of life. India reported its first case of COVID-19 from Kerala just 2 days before the Union Budget 2020. Well, the origin of COVID-19. Wait, I will not say about it. You all know it better because it may affect the international relations between our country India and China. However, the Atmanirbhar package that has been announced by our Honorable Prime Minister PM Narendra Modi, which is working good, but the economy is still in technical recessions. Our schools are yet closed, hospitals are working 24/7, and domestic violence cases have been increased with galloping number of raids, and devastating number of deaths are reported. Suicide became rampant, laborers without labor, job holders without job, and markets without buyers. And this is the first time in Indian history when the railways are closed. Hotels, temples, mosques, gurudwaras, and other places of worships are closed. The god wore white aprons and shifted its headquarters for the treatment of COVID positives. During this, the British Era Act of 1897, that is Epidemic Disease Act, is being operationalized. In 1918, during influenza pandemic, it was used in India when almost about 20 million people died due to Spanish flu. And the Disaster Management Act of 2005 has been operationalized, in which three-tier structure of NDMA, SDMA and DMA have played great jobs to contain and spread of this COVID-19. The word lockdown emerged as the most used words nowadays and worldwide. Now, to attend any party, we all have to score marks within 50, otherwise we'll not attend it and regret. And to attend any funeral, we have to score within 20. It's tough time. It's a pandemic. A pandemic is declared when a new disease for which people do not have enough immunity spread around the world beyond expectations. But we Indians have our own methods to deal with this corona. From lighting candles to ghantis and banging thalis. New slogans like Go Corona Go to the mass level production of PPE kits, masks and sanitizers, etc. within a month. And surprisingly, we have made huge number of beds in hospitals to tackle this COVID-19. And should also be thankful to the corona warriors that have done excellent jobs, and due to them we are safe. From cooperative federalism to vaccine nationalism, new terms and questions will now come in our exams. Oh God, this COVID-19 has added many more syllabus to our studies. Let's hope this new budget will gauge the true picture and new picture and impact of this COVID-19. Hope we all will meet then. But till then, we have to be more responsible and respectful to abide government guidelines. For now, be safe and obedient. Thank you.
Go Corona! Go Corona! Corona go! Corona go! Go Corona!
Srivastava of Standard 8C is going to present a dance on Go Corona song.
चिंता जरूर पैदा करता है लेकिन घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं। ओ कैरोना, 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 ओ कैरोना,
हमेशा अपने मुंह को रुमाल या टिश्यू से ढकें। हाथों को लगातार साबुन से धोएं। अपनी आंख, नाक और मुंह को छूने से रोकें। अगर किसी को खांसी, बुखार या सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो तो उससे कम 1 मीटर की दूरी बनाए रखें। 1 मीटर की दूरी बनाए रखें। 1 मीटर की दूरी बनाए रखें। 1 मीटर की दूरी बनाए रखें।